This is an intro to some of the terms used in this episode for bird lovers and nature enthusiasts. The figures below illustrate the main plumage tracks and bare part features. Many species assume a more colorful breeding plumage, which is more often striking in the male than in the female. Please note, bird sounds are in sync as their names appear.
Wire-tailed swallow 14 centimeters in size. Widespread resident, unrecorded in parts of northwest, northeast and southeast subcontinent. A very distinctive swallow with two long, fine filamentous projects to outer tail feathers. Wire-like tail streamers are frequently broken, entirely lost or can be difficult to see. Tail then appears square-ended. It has brilliant glossy blue upper parts and a chestnut forehead and crown that contrast with clean white underparts. Females and juveniles have shorter tails, found in grasslands, wetlands, open scrublands, cultivated areas and near water, typically seen in singles, pairs or sometimes small flocks. Inhabits open country and cultivation near lakes, rivers and canals, also wet paddy fields in summer.
White kingfisher, 25 centimeters, is a widespread resident. Boldly marked black and white kingfisher with a short bushy crest and glossy all-dark bill. Male has double breastband, female has single, usually broken breastband. Frequently seen perched in pairs or small groups. Often hovers over water with bill pointing down, takes aim and dives headlong into water to catch fish. Inhabits a wide range of waterside habitats from lakes to estuaries and mangroves.
Green bee eater 16 to 18 centimeters in size. Widespread resident and summer visitor. small with elongated central tail feathers, blue or green throat with black gorgets, variable golden brown to rufous crown and nape, and green tail. In flight, note the dark edge along the lower border of the wing. Juvenile has square-ended tail, crown and mantle are green, lacks brown gorget, and throat is pale yellowish or bluish-green. Flies gracefully as it catches insects and other prey. Also uses the backs of cattle as a moving perch. Inhabits open woodlands, semi-desert, fields and farmlands. Roosts communally in trees huddled together on a branch.
Glossy ibis, 55 to 65 centimeters in size, resident and winter visitor. Adults mostly dark with iridescent green and reddish tones and long fine down-curved bill. Very thin white borders surrounding the dark facial skin and dark eyes. Usually gregarious, it is found mainly in salty marshes and shallow wetlands.
Tinted stock 93 to 100 centimeters in size. It is a widespread resident. A large stalk with a long yellow bill that curves down at the tip, like that of an ibis. Adult is primarily white with black striped markings on the wings, bright pink on tertials. Also note the bright orange face, pinkish legs, and speckled band across the chest. Immatures are duller with a brown wash and lack the chest band. These stocks typically fly with their head and neck drooping almost at or below the belly level. Breeds in crowded colonies, often with other water birds. This can be noticed here with the back wing stilts and egrets standing and feeding in the same area. During display utters a weak fizzing call along with bill clapping, otherwise generally silent. Usually hunts individually with partly open beak immersed in water and probing the bottom sediments, as seen here. Spends time standing motionless near water or soaring on terminals when well fed. Often seen near water bodies such as wetlands, marshes, and flooded agricultural fields.